Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to archive a channel in Slack. So you're going to go up to this channel settings button, and then you're going to go to additional options and then archive this channel. Now this may not be an option if you didn't create the channel, so you may need to have an admin do it in certain circumstances, but if you created the channel, you should be able to archive it this way. After you do this, you'll be able to still go back and search for it through channels. So if you go up here to browse all channels, you should be able to look for archive channels, and then you can see them here. But that will delete it from this list, and people will be removed from the channel, so you'll have to add them back in if that's the case.